I think cruise planning has officially gotten out of hand. 3 weeks ago, I thought I needed a passport, a suitcase, maybe a toothbrush. Now, apparently, I need all of this. This is my first cruise to Northern Europe. And somewhere along the way, I made the mistake of searching. What should I pack for a cruise? That was the beginning of the end. One YouTube video turned into 20. 20 turned into 50. Then suddenly, every single person was telling me there was one more thing I absolutely had to buy. So I did. Let's see what we've got. A neck pillow. Actually, we've got 4. A universal adapter. We've got magnetic hooks. We've got tags for the luggage for the airline. We've got AirTags, lanyards. We've got a sleep mask. I've got the special cruise luggage tags. Even picked up a foot cradle for the transatlantic flight, and probably a bunch of other things that I'm forgetting. At this point, I've spent almost as much time shopping for the cruise as I have planning the cruise. The funny part is, I have absolutely no idea what's actually useful. Maybe these magnetic hooks will really change my life. Maybe I'll use the travel adapter every single day. Or maybe half this stuff will stay in my suitcase the entire trip. I honestly don't know. And that's what makes planning so strange. Everything sounds essential. Every video says, don't make this mistake. You'll regret not bringing this. This is a cruise game changer. Eventually, you start thinking, wait, do I actually need any of this? So here's my plan. I'm bringing everything. Later, I'll tell you what I actually used, what I never touched, and what I wished I had packed instead. Because I have a feeling there's at least a few of these things on the table that are coming along for the ride for absolutely no reason. So now I need your help. If you've ever been on a cruise before, what's the one thing everyone told you to bring that you never actually used? What's the one thing you would never cruise without? Because if I can avoid buying one more must-have gadget before this trip, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.